What's going on, guys? It's Alexa back with another video, and today I'm actually going to be showing you guys a product review of, we have some Outlast by ArmorAll. It's supposed to be brake dust repellent. We're going to test it out on my 2010 Camaro SS. I'm a little skeptical about it. Of course, here are the illustrations that they include on the can itself. I got this from AutoZone. You can get it from any auto parts store. It's supposed to add a protective barrier on your wheels and rims, so it's supposed to keep them clean a little bit longer. We shall see about that. Should say lasts up to 4 weeks, and it should also help make cleaning these wheels a little bit easier next time. So as you guys can see, here are my wheels right here. Just wiped them down again. I washed the whole car yesterday, but I wiped them down again one more time. And here's the back ones. So nice and clean for right now. So what I'm going to do is to have a pretty good comparison with some of this brake dust repellent. I'm going to spray the front and back wheel on one side, and then I will leave the other side untouched. And we're going to see just how it compares using this Outlast brake dust repellent. So it definitely says make sure wheels are clean and dry. Shake can very well before you use it. Spray liberally over the entire wheel or rim. Do not touch after the application because it will remove the protection, and you have to let it dry for 1 hour. It definitely says the longer you let it dry, the better the protection will be. I wanted to put some on this morning before I went to work. However, I didn't think it would have enough time to dry, because once I start driving, the wheel will spin off all of the application, so I didn't want that. So I'm going to go ahead, shake the can really well, make sure it's good and mixed, and then we're going to apply it liberally, as the directions say. Apply liberally to each wheel. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so this is wheel number 1. I didn't want to oversaturate it, but you can see where there's a little bit of moisture on there. So I can see why they say they want you to let it dry. So I'm not going to spray anymore. Hopefully this is enough protection. It does look a little bit shinier, but I'm hoping that once it fully dries, there won't be a weird film. That's what I'm worried about. So we're going to check on this in about an hour once it's fully dry. But yeah, we're going to see how it looks. So now we're going to do the front one. Alrighty, I think that should do it. And there's some more of that moisture kind of pooling up. There you go, nice and shiny. Alright, so just to give you guys a comparison, let me go ahead and show you the other side as well. See, everything is already nice and clean, so that way we know in about a week we have even results. So over here. Alright, ArmorAll Outlast. Hopefully this will work, and we're going to check on it. I don't believe we're going to get any rain tomorrow, but either way, rain shouldn't affect this if this is totally dry. So I will see you guys in a few days. Alright guys, so here's the next morning. Everything is dried on the wheel. I don't see, there's a little bit of residue right there, but nothing, I guess, too obvious. So if you guys were worried about residue, this is what the wheels look like after everything is dried. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the back. We got the wheels that are untouched. So yeah, I don't see too much of a obvious difference, but thank you, geese. So yep, there's an update for you, and I'll check back in a few days. But I am off to work, and let's get this started. Alrighty. Alrighty guys, it has been well over a week. We've had several days of rain, so I haven't been able to drive the car quite as often as I should, but we still have a decent amount of brake dust, as we can see. I apologize for any wind noise, but there's some caked up here, and this is on the side where we have the anti-brake dust applied here. You see it's kind of built up on the edges, not so much here, but I don't know, it kind of looks like it's collected places because I guess it doesn't adhere as much. So here we can look at the back. This wheel kind of the same, where it looks like it's collected towards the outer edges of the wheel. So I see what they're saying, where it's not adhering as much to the wheel compared to normally, but you know, it's still a decent amount. So we compare that to the other side, the side that wasn't touched. You can see here, it looks like most of this wheel is fairly evenly coated with brake dust. Looking at it with just my bare eyes, you know, I still see where some of the rain probably affected this as well, but it's not as splotchy as the other side, so the splotchiness doesn't look great either. But yeah, this wheel pretty evenly covered with brake dust compared to the other side. I'll show you the other side one more time so you can get a comparison, but over here, yeah, just that. So see a little splotchy there. So yeah. So as you guys can see, that was basically the results of a $7 or $8 purchase from like AutoZone or O'Reilly's or anything. That was the ArmorAll anti-brake dust repellent. So I don't know, it works okay, I guess. It just kind of splotches the brake dust, so I feel like that doesn't look all that much better either. So once again, I'm pretty sure you're not going to get into any type of really good brake dust repellent unless you ceramic coat your wheels or something like that, which of course can be a little bit pricey. But I was like, for $7 I wanted to see how well that actually works. So to no surprise there, but it's a little bit better than the other side. So but let me know what you guys think, if you've used any products similar to this or something that may work better than that. But you can let me know. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I do post twice a week, so there's always something cool for you to watch. So thank you guys again, and I'll see y'all next time. Take care.